Hi, this is Elizabeth Johnson with Southern Embellishment. Thank you for joining with us today. And I have a couple giveaways that we're going to do. And this, I need to do two because I missed my 100 subby giveaway. I am so sorry. We were in the middle of moving and a bunch of stuff going on in our life, so it kind of flew by. And now I have over 200 subbies, and so I appreciate every one of you. And so I'm going to do a giveaway for 100 subbies and a giveaway for 200 subbies. And then I have a little something special for someone here in a minute. I will share that story. So what I'm going to do is if you subscribe and you make a comment below the video, this video, you leave a comment, then you will be entered into this giveaway. Today is Tuesday, the 6th of February, and we'll do the drawing next Tuesday. I'm sorry I don't have that date for you, but it'll be a week from today, and we'll do the drawing. So you have a week to subscribe and leave a comment, share with your friends so they can be involved in the giveaway, and if they subscribe and leave a comment, they'll be included also. And so this is what the giveaway is going to be. I have two of these journal tag books, and I will be giving these away, one per person. And then along with that, each of you will get a little baggie of luscious lace pieces and appliques to include in your journaling. And just giving you a little overview of that. And just beautiful, beautiful laces. And so probably we'll include a few other things too. Leave that as a little surprise for you. And this is for any of my subscribers, whether they're in the U.S. or outside of the U.S. Each, whoever is a subscriber and whoever leaves a comment will be included in the giveaway. Now, I'm not going to go through these tag books because there is a video where I take you through the tag books, and you can go and look at that video and see all of the decorative tags we have in here. There's pieces of lace, there's charms, just a lot of things that you can either use like it is or take apart and use in your journaling or your journal making. So there's just a lot of goodies in here. This is 100 or more tags in each of these rings, and so a lot of pretty to put in your journals. So make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and next Tuesday we will draw the winner. Okay, and each winner, we will draw two winners. Each winner will receive a tag journal book and these laces. Now I do have a special giveaway. This was just something fun that happened, and so she will be part of this giveaway. On my 200th subscriber, I happened to be online when she subscribed, and I saw it pop up, and she's like, "Oh, I'm your 200th subscriber," and so we chatted back and forth, and so it was just a fun moment. And so I've got a little giveaway for her and for being my 200th subscriber. And this is the little gift card holders that I make. And so she'll be getting one of these and then one of these little junk journals that they're great to pop in your purse. And I have a video on each of these you can watch. But her name is Elizabeth at Shepherd's Song Creations. And I was online when she became my 200th subscriber. And so Elizabeth, if you will PM me your address, I will get your little freebie out to you right away. And thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. Subscribe and leave a comment below for the giveaways next Tuesday. Have a great day. Make something pretty. Bye-bye.